Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer money from bank account to MasterCard. So here is our method. So you can use the card issuer's mobile application or website. So first thing that you need to do is open the application or go to the website of the card provider, like for example, the Payoneer, NetSpend, Chime, and etc. So you just have to log in and then go to add funds or transfer from bank. So just like this one. So add your bank account details if not already linked. So you just really have to fill in all the details of the bank account that you have and then confirm linking via micro deposit verification if required. Now, next step is to transfer the money. So after linking, you just have to go to the transfer or load funds and then enter the amount that you want to send and select your bank account as the source. And then you just have to confirm the destination as your MasterCard balance. And then just tap on transfer or submit. Now you have to take note that there is a processing time, so that will take usually 1 to 3 business days. So you really have to be patient about the processing time. So that's pretty much it. That's how you easily transfer money from bank account to MasterCard. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!